All right.
Hey guys, Eric Kyler, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine. I'm excited to be down at IBEX, the International Boat Builders Exposition, right here in Tampa, Florida. Loving life. This is a great show.
It is.
I'm wandering around. I'm looking for some new and exciting products to report to you guys on, and boy, are you guys going to love this. I'm here with Kyler with Hydrofin. Kyler, how are you, buddy?
I'm doing great. Thanks for coming in.
Good. Thanks so much for your time today.
Yes,
I really appreciate
absolutely.
it. I heard about Hydrofin maybe a week before the show. I was so excited to come down and see it. Tell our viewers a little bit about Hydrofin. What is this product?
Hydrofin is an aftermarket hydrofoil system for pontoon boats. It is a universal system that can fit any double pontoon boat. We also have a tri-tune model as well. So the idea behind it is that we're going to lift those tunes slightly out of the water.
Yeah.
That's going to reduce the drag and create a faster, more efficient, better riding boat.
Well, that is brilliant, my man.
Yeah.
Now, I'm a sailor, and if anybody's watched the America's Cup, we've seen how they've all gone to hydrofoils.
Yes, sir.
Now they're going into pontoon boats as well. Where did this idea originate? How did you guys come up with this?
Yeah, so Jason has been a lifelong boater and mostly deep sea fishing.
Yep.
And he was going on these long trips, and it was just killing him on how inefficient these boats are. You know, we're just burning so much fuel, and it just killed him. So he was thinking, how can we do this in the big boat world? Yep. Well, that became, very, very difficult. And he's like, well, pontoon boats have some of the same issues that these deep sea rigs have.
Yeah.
And they're really easy to work on. They're all the same no matter what the manufacturer is. So he decided to change his efforts and move to hydrofoils for pontoon boats. And that's how we got here today.
So that's brilliant. Now, it would freak me out a little bit if I saw a pontoon boat coming at me that had a fin out on each side. What are the safety precautions you got to keep in mind when you've got this product on a pontoon boat?
Well, they are not going out, first of all.
Oh,
they're coming in.
Even better.
So it'll be underneath your boat, so as long as you can, just like your motor. It's in almost the same position, just about middle of your boat.
Okay. Does it actually lift the pontoons out of the water so you're just on the foils?
No, we are not flying the boats.
Okay, got it.
So we just want to reduce. Yeah, we just want to reduce the drag.
Yeah.
And then we're seeing, a great speed improvement, more efficient boat, and then on top of that, just being able to be out of the water a little bit makes the ride quality so much better. You're able to lean into your turns, glide right over the chop. It's so much more comfortable, pleasant.
How much more will it lift? Say if you're going 20, 25 knots, how much more is it going to lift the boat out of the water? So if you're going through a 1 or 2 foot chop, is it going to make that big of a difference?
Yeah, so we can get anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of lift in the front of the boat and 3 to 4 inches of lift in the back. And so that allows you really to glide over most common chops in a lake or, decent swells in an ocean as well.
I love that. So the fuel efficiency alone by having this product on your boat is going to well pay for the product itself.
Yeah, depending on how much you boat a summer, it can pay for itself in one summer or maybe a couple seasons.
So do I have to buy this product on a boat from the manufacturer, or can I just put it on myself?
Yeah, it's an aftermarket product right now. So you can buy it for your current pontoon boat, and we're working with some manufacturers to hopefully add it as an option in the future.
That is awesome. So if I want a better ride with more fuel efficiency, more efficiency in the ride as well, then I want to go to what? Hydrofin.com?
Shop hydrofin.com. We've got a ton of videos, information, lift charts, as well as ways to reach out to us and get set up for an install.
And this is mostly for either a pontoon boat that has 2 tunes or 3 tunes?
Yes, we do have a system for both double pontoons and tri-tunes.
Beautiful. Tell me just briefly here. I don't know if we can see this on video, but this is a pretty important award. What am I holding here, Kyler?
You are holding the 2021 IBEX Innovation Award trophy. So we won in the propulsion category this is our first time at IBEX, and we won the award. So we are super excited and honored to have won this award.
This is awesome. So if I want to find out more about the product, or if I want to buy it to install it on my boat, I'm going to go to shophydrofin.com.
Shophydrofin.com, or we're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube of just Hydrofin.
Hydrofin.
Easy as that.
Kyler, awesome product.
Thank you, Eric.
Thanks so much, my man. Shophydrofin.com. You're going to love it. In the Great Lakes, we have thousands, tens of thousands of pontoon boats that can use this product. You'll enjoy it. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you out on the water.
Thank you.